Just find a reason to smile. Hold on tight, give it a chance. Life moves fast, don't miss the...
Good morning, big head. Good morning.